In an increasingly carbon-constrained world, solar energy technologies represent one of the least carbon-intensive means of power generation. Solar energy is an obvious choice for a carbon-smart, reliable energy future.
Zero carbon network has become a very important strategic goal for all leading operators globally.
Why we selected Huawei was because of its continuous efforts to bring Huawei in FSCL projects. There was technical support, there was learning sessions, training sessions continuously. The product is very robust, it is very user friendly. The accessibility and the firmwares are quite easy to install and upgrade, not only for us, for our future clients as well. And the customer support has been tremendous by Huawei throughout our projects.
Land coverage area is the biggest challenge for every solar plant. At this particular location, land contains the raw material which is used in the process of cement manufacturing, and we had to conserve it by utilizing the minimum land. During the first 3 phases, we have central inverters installed. However, for the 4th phase, a scattered, challenging and narrow land is selected for installation. It was decided that the string inverter suits our need perfectly, and hence we decided to move on to Huawei, seeing cost effectiveness, market reputation, good warranty terms and after-sales support.
I think the decision we have taken to go with Huawei is the best we have made, and I believe this decision is nothing but the positives ahead.
It is an incredible machine, so robust, compact and easily integratable. We just have to connect it with our data logger and we can see all the data within a click in our existing SCADA system. Since this system was installed in about 6 months ago, and since that time we haven't faced any outages.
Huawei integrates information and communications technology, ICT, power electronics and energy storage, and continues to collaborate with customers and business partners worldwide to build a low-carbon environment.